Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mauna, aka Power Papi. Welcome back again to the channel. Ladies and gentlemen, on today's agenda, Davido has announced his fourth studio album, Timeless.
But thank God I'm grounded by your love, which is timeless.
This year has been rough. I mean, the beginning of the year has been a little bit slow. Like most years usually starts. Like it takes a while for new music to actually come off with a bang. Last year would be the opposite for me because Omokwe happened very early in the year. So my year started from Omokwe last year. Last year was a little bit different and unique with Ashake. But this year it's really come back to its natural cycle of having a very slow first 3 months or so. And not like all the music has been bad, but we've not really had a significant statement being made yet by any of the songs. Like the closest statement I would see that has been made would be by Gwagalada. But Obio is here for the rescue, you know. One of the big three is finally dropping, and he might break the silence. He might just wet the droughts that we've been experiencing a little bit. Okay? Yeah, that came out wrong. The album Timeless is an interesting one. He has rolled out, and I like the title. It's very fitting. It speaks volumes. That title speaks volumes, especially knowing what has happened in his life in the past since the last album. It's been crazy. I kind of saw this album initially, even before the very tragic event of him losing his son. Even before that, I was kind of gearing towards this album being a different approach from the last albums that we've gotten. Davido's approach to albums have always been very predictable, to be honest. They always try to make hits. Like that's the agenda of every album, which is fine for a pop act to make because he's a hit maker by nature. He can do that easily. But for him going into every album kind of expecting that kind of result from almost virtually every song and having everything just be anywhere Belleface kind of arrangements, not really having a big statement, not really selling the album with a narrative, usually doesn't make big statements for me. And it's been a long point I've been making about Davido albums. Take 2020 for instance, the year we got albums from all big three. One made a big statement about his evolution in his career in terms of his sound and direction. The other made a very contingent effort to win a Grammy. And lastly, Davido just made an album filled with attempts of hits. And that's been every album with him. I've always wanted to see Davido in his albums. You know, I wanted it to get a bit more personal in some moment at least. Something to reflect his life journey, because again, I still believe he has a very unique trajectory for a pop act. I saw a glimpse of that in Stand Strong. I saw a glimpse of that to say that, okay, this might be a different album, this might be a different approach. But the track list is out though, and Stand Strong is not here. The only song here is from Champion Sound. So that's like, maybe I'm deterring away from that point once I saw the track list, and also hearing the fact that Fields is not on the album at all. Because I've spoken to people that know the album, that have heard the album, and Fields is not on the album. And mind you, he had announced in an interview before that Fields was producing most of it.
Man, I have a couple. Shout out to Sheezy, shout out to Kid Dominant, shout out to Spark, this new guy I just met. Shout out to Fields. He did like half of my album that's coming out. So watch out, man.
So completely different album that we're getting here. He has changed plans, changed strategy completely. And with this clip and video, who knows? Maybe he's seeking out more international looks. People are already making assumptions that this might be his twice as tall. This might be his moment to pander to the West for international recognition, because that's been one thing that has been against him for so long. We'll see how it goes. We don't know what the album is. We've not had the experience. We just know that Champion Sound is here, and we know that we're getting 17 tracks like every other album. 17 tracks again. Anyway, we can't judge it for that number, but let's get the album first. Okay, let's get the album first. I'm curious what you guys think about this one. Are you expecting it to be any different from all the Davido albums that we've gotten? Just a pop trending sound that he would go and execute excellently and make hits out of, and that was it. That's the experience we get. We're not making errors. We're not making statements in terms of your discography, in terms of your evolution as an artist. Is that what we're going to get from Davido again? We'll see. We'll find out March 31st, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be here live on YouTube and reacting to it live. And yeah, you guys catch me on on Patreon as well. I'm dropping Patreon link this Friday. New Music Friday live stream still going on Friday as well. Appreciate you guys for watching, and let me know how you guys feel about this one, man. I've been your boy Mano, aka Pine Papillon. See you guys on the next one. Peace.